Dear 12th pass students, congratulations on reaching this significant milestone in your academic journey. You have completed your 12th standard, and now it's time to move forward towards a new chapter in your life. As you embark on this new journey, I would like to share a few words of motivation and encouragement. First and foremost, I want you to know that you are capable of achieving anything you set your mind to. You have already demonstrated your dedication and hard work by successfully completing your 12th standard. Remember that this is just the beginning of a long and fulfilling journey. As you move forward, it's important to stay focused on your goals and aspirations. You may face challenges and obstacles along the way, but don't let them discourage you. Instead, use them as opportunities to learn and grow. Keep pushing yourself to become better every day. Remember that success is not just about achieving your goals, it's also about the journey you take to get there. Embrace the process, learn from your mistakes, and celebrate your achievements, no matter how small they may seem. In addition to hard work, success also requires perseverance, patience, and resilience. Don't give up on your dreams just because they seem difficult or unattainable at the moment. Stay motivated, keep moving forward, and trust that you will eventually reach your destination. Lastly, I encourage you to never stop learning. Education is a lifelong journey, and there is always something new to discover and explore. Be open to new ideas, perspectives, and experiences, and never be afraid to ask questions or seek help when needed. In conclusion, I want to remind you that you are capable, strong, and resilient. Believe in yourself, stay focused on your goals, and never give up on your dreams. Congratulations once again on your graduation, and best of luck in all your future endeavors.